Hey guys, this is Gantium. Welcome to WTN Celebrity. Subscribe our channel for more updates. At least 8 who attended Rose Garden event have COVID. Contact tracing for the Trumpworld COVID-19 outbreak is still in the early stages, but 8 of those who have tested positive were at a packed event in the White House Rose Garden last weekend. The number has risen hour by hour over the last 2 days, with former New Jersey Governor Christie, the latest attendee to disclose that he has the virus days after gathering. Most in the Rose Garden crowd invited to see President Trump nominate Amy Coney Barrett for the Supreme Court were not wearing masks, even though chairs were placed close together. Photos showed guests milling around and chatting with no regard for the federal government's own social distancing guidelines. Senator Mike Lee, R. Utah, who later tested positive, was caught on video hugging and kissing guests with abandon. While the ceremony was outside, which can help limit the spread of the virus when proper social distancing is in effect, there were also smaller, mask-free gatherings indoors where COVID-19 can spread even more easily. In addition to Lee and Christie, the attendees who tested positive are the President and First Lady Melania Trump, Senator Thom Tillis, R. North Carolina, Trump Counselor Kellyanne Conway, and Notre Dame President Rev. John Jenkins. An unidentified journalist who was there is also infected. In a statement earlier this week, amid a campus uproar that he did not wear a mask at the event honoring an alumna, Jenkins said he was told he didn't need to after he and other guests tested negative at the White House. But, he said, he regrets not keeping the mask on and shaking hands with people. "I failed to lead by example at a time when I've asked everyone else in the Notre Dame community to do so," he wrote. "I especially regret my mistake in light of the sacrifices made on a daily basis by many, particularly our students, in adjusting their lives to observe our health protocols." There is no confirmation that Jenkins or his fellow attendees contracted the virus in the Rose Garden, but the fact that so many tested positive within days raises questions about whether it may have been a super spreader event. The Centers for Disease Control says coronavirus symptoms generally appear 2 to 14 days after symptoms appear, and the Rose Garden patients fell ill within that window.